Hi, welcome to my channel. On this video, we'll be looking at 4 gadgets that could change the way you live, and click the subscribe button down there for more tech videos. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first gadget is the bite helper. Sometimes we get bitten by insects like mosquitoes, houseflies, ants, and snakes. By using the bite helper, you can neutralize the itching and irritation from these insect bites in less than 45 seconds. This device uses thermal pulse technology to deliver heat and vibrations to the affected area to increase circulation and also localize blood flow by neutralizing the anticoagulants in the insect saliva or venom responsible for the itch. The second gadget is the Pet Cube Bite 2. This device is mostly essential to the pet parents like those with dogs and cats. The Pet Cube Bite 2 helps you to stay connected with your pet when not at home. It has a camera with a view of over 130 degrees, which helps you to watch your pets regardless of where they run off to in the room. It also contains a two-way audio devices and a treat dispenser you can use to interact with your pets. The third gadget is the Sony Link Box. If you're a kind of person that loves songs or audio podcasts and would always like to listen to one no matter where we are, then having the Sony Link Board with you would be a very great option. The Sony Link Board helps you to be more aware of your surroundings and the people desperately trying to get your attention while enjoying your song. This is possible because of the hole created into the Sony Link Board, and the interesting part of it is that you can control its volume by just tapping the skin by your ear. And lastly is the smart umbrella called Jonas. Some of the time we get stuck in the rain and sometimes at home because of the bad weather. The Jonas umbrella notifies you when it is about to rain or snow, and also when there is a bad weather. By shaking the umbrella, you can know if it will be sunny or rainy at the day. When you forget the umbrella, it will automatically notify you through your phone that you left your umbrella at a specific place, and it only uses 4 batteries to do its work. Okay, by clicking the subscribe button down there, you will be notified when new tech and gadget videos is being uploaded on this channel. And also, there's a new video coming up soon about the iPhone 14. So if you don't want to miss the video, you have to click the subscribe button down there and you'll be notified when the video is out. That is it. Thanks for watching. I'm Albert Naz. Adios.